The process went very well. It took us about a week and a half to 2 weeks to build it, and we started with the shed here, and that was all framed up in 2x4s, and then the siding obviously, and then we went ahead and started doing all the construction here with all the beams. So when we started building this, it's been a while since I've actually been out in the field. Usually I just pretty much point fingers and look at blueprints, So when we started building this, it was fun. I had a great time being out here, wearing my bags and being around all the trade guys that were here. Family Handyman, very helpful. I'd go home every day hoping to come back and do the next process of it. This is all 6x6 posts. It's stained. We stained all this before we put it up. It gives it a massive look. It was easy to work with this design because everything was laid out. It was all step by step, and it was a simple process. So we did have to bring in our 7'2" construction owner that loves helping us every time we're in this situation where we don't have ladders around. So he'll come out here and he'll actually hold some posts or beams, and that way we can go ahead and screw or put the bolts in that we need to. It adds value to the home, obviously. It's great around the pool area. This is going to be fun for the family and friends to come out and enjoy.